Unlock your inner designer and craft jaw-dropping shirt graphics using the power of Nano Banana Style and Google AI. First, let's dive into the Nano Banana aesthetic. Think bold, playful colors, exaggerated shapes, and a touch of retro fun. Will capture this essence by defining key stylistic elements. Imagine a banana with personality, for a wink, a cool outfit, or even riding a tiny skateboard. Now, we harness Google AI for our initial image generation. We'll craft a detailed prompt, something like a vibrant, cartoon-style banana wearing sunglasses and a tiny Hawaiian shirt, illustrated in a playful, simplified art style. Be descriptive. The more detail you provide, the closer the AI will get to your vision. See these results? The AI gives us a fantastic starting point. We'll pick the image that best embodies the Nano Banana spirit and has the visual impact we're after for a shirt. Next comes customization. We'll import our chosen AI image into a graphic design tool. This is where we refine, resize, and add our unique touch. Consider the shirt's color. Will the banana pop against it? We might adjust the colors of the banana or add a complementary background element. Think about composition. How will text be integrated, if at all? For a Nano Banana design, keep it clean and impactful. We might add the word chill in a retro font below the banana, ensuring it complements the overall playful vibe without overpowering the central graphic. This fusion of Nano Banana's joyful style and Google AI's creative power lets us produce visually appealing and marketable designs rapidly, opening up exciting possibilities for fashion and personal expression.